Hi everyone, I hope you all are enjoying your Sunday and the first snow of the season. It's snowing, it's cold. It's not a very nice weather to be out, but here I am hosting an open house at this beautiful property at 256 Herb Street in Cambridge. Let me show you around. Here is the kitchen. It's a very nice bungalow with over 8,000 square feet in total. It comes with 3 bedrooms, 1 bath. This is the second bedroom, and this is the master bedroom. Fully fenced, huge backyard and a very nice view from the kitchen. Huge basement.